Board and investors really act at a couple of different levels. One, they act when it comes to CEO recruitment and project director recruitment at the top of any new mega project that they're investing into. And then when it comes to delivering and operation in terms of setting the culture and the tone for the right discussions within the organization. First, boards need to think about their own composition and whether they have the right skills and the right mix of experiences to be able to guide the organization the way they should be. One thing we found when we ran a survey recently of infrastructure companies is that 45% of boards actually lack, in particular, the digital skill set. But beyond that, boards also need to think about how they challenge the organization and the kind of conversations they drive with top management, which also means that because the business is becoming more digital, they also need to be able to ask the right questions on that topic. One of the key human capital dimensions that board can help companies with is talent attraction and talent retention. Those are some of the key drivers of success for infrastructure companies globally. Human resources play a key part in that sort of dynamic. Our survey recently showed that only 60% of HR organizations are actually prepared to respond to the challenges of the industry regarding human capital. So it's good, but probably not good enough, and we want to aim for a higher percentage. I think it's incumbent upon the boards to ask the questions. Do we have the right strategies in place to be able to attract the talent? What is our value proposition with talents in the industry, in particular as infrastructure companies now compete more and more with investment banks, with consultancies, with top law firms to attract non-graduate talent. And so, at all levels, the organization needs to have this dialogue around, are we doing the right things? Are we doing enough to be able to feed our organizations with the right people?